Hi students, good morning to one and all. Previous classes discussed about the chapter 9 Cell the Unit of Life. Today onwards discuss about the chapter 10 Biomolecules. The topic name polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. Give an account of the polysaccharides, that is carbohydrates. Polysaccharides by means having many saccharides, more than two saccharides. Now discuss about the polysaccharides. So dear students, polysaccharides or carbohydrates are macromolecules. Macromolecules are have to large size of biomolecules and less solubility and high molecular weight. These are the character features of macromolecules. And several micromolecules are to be formed on chain-like structure. Finally, to be formed a macromolecules. What are the macromolecules? Macromolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Okay, now polysaccharides are macromolecules and are acid insoluble. So soluble in acids. They are long chain of sugars. And second coming to, they are threads. They are thread-like appearance. Literally including cotton threads containing different monosaccharides as building blocks. For example, cellulose. In generally, the plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. This cellulose is a polymeric polysaccharide consisting of only one type of monosaccharide. That is glucose. Monosaccharides are here glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose. These are monosaccharides. But here cellulose containing only one type of monosaccharide, that is glucose. C6H12O6. Next coming to, cellulose is a homopolymer. That is similar kind of monosaccharides. And the plant reserve food material is starch. The plant is always stored food material in starch. So here starch is a variant of this, but present as a storage of energy in a plant tissues. And coming to animal cells, another variant is called, that is glycogen. Animal organisms is always stored food material in glycogen. Plant cells is always stored food material in starch, and plant cell wall is generally made up of cellulose. So these are polysaccharides. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. This is a polysaccharide, and cellulose is a homopolymer. Only similar kind of the monosaccharides. And starch is the reserve food material in plant tissues. This is a monosaccharide, And glycogen. Glycogen is the animal reserve food material. All animal organisms is always stored food material in glycogen. Next coming to insulin. Insulin is a polymer of fructose. This is a one type of monosaccharide. Fructose is also one type of monosaccharide. So here insulin is a polymer of fructose. Next coming to in a polysaccharide chain, especially glycogen in animal organisms, the right end is called the reducing end and the left end is called non-reducing end. To be observed, the animal organism of glycogen to be a polysaccharide chain. So to be appeared, so this is a right end, this is a left end. Right end is always reducing end and left end is always non-reducing end. So this is a right end and this is a left end. So right end is always reducing ends and left end is always non-reducing ends. Next coming to starch forms helical secondary structures. So in internal structure of starch to be appeared helical manner. That is starch forms helical secondary structures. So in this starch can hold I2 molecules. That is iodine molecules. In helical portion, the starch iodine is blue in color. The starch I2, that is iodine, is blue in color. In generally, starch forms helical secondary structures. So the helical secondary structure of starch can hold iodine molecules, and then after the starch is always appeared in blue in color, and by means the starch of iodine is always blue in color. The starch is absorption of the iodine, then get the starch is appeared blue in color. Why? Because starch containing iodine molecules. So this iodine molecules of starch to be present in blue in color. Next coming to cellulose, does not contain complex helical secondary structures. So hence cannot hold iodine or I2. So they does not to be appeared blue in color. Why? Because they do not containing iodine molecules. Can the helical structure of starch? Can the helical structure of cellulose? So does not appear blue in color. Cellulose does not contain complex helical structure. First of all here, cellulose does not contain complex helical structure. So hence cannot hold iodine. So does not to be appeared blue in color. Why? Because first of all to be not containing complex helical secondary structure. So not absorption of iodine to be cellulose. So does not appear in blue in color. Next coming to all plant cell walls and paper made from plant pulp and cotton fiber contain cellulose. In generally in lower plants and all higher plants of the cell walls and paper made from plant pulp, especially bambusa and cotton fiber is also containing the cellulose. Next coming to exoskeletons of arthropods. Exoskeletons of arthropods, for example cockroach, and cell walls of fungi have a complex polysaccharide that is called chitin. By means exoskeletons of arthropoda cell wall is made up of chitin and fungi cell wall is made up of chitin. Okay now, so both organisms cell walls is made up of chitin. So anyhow, the plant cell walls and animal cell membrane and fungi cell wall is also made up of one type of polysaccharides. that is cellulose, either chitin. At the same, the plant is always stored food material, one type of starch. The animals is always stored food material, one type of glycogen. Both are polysaccharides. Both are polysaccharides. So in those of polysaccharides are involved in plant organisms, animal organisms, including fungal organisms. Okay, now this is about the polysaccharides. So polysaccharide means they are long chains of sugars. That is more than two sugars such as glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose, maltose, so on. Okay, now thank you.